Hi, I'm Stanley. Trading becomes easy when you have a step-by-step system. And today I'm going to show you a strategy that I've been using for several years now. I'm 100% confident in it. You'll see everything, what indicators I use, how I set up the chart, and where exactly I enter. Everything is as transparent as possible, no myths or unnecessary theory. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel and liking this video. My name's Stanley and I'm ready to begin. First, let's prepare the tools for work. I'm setting classic candles and the time frame is 2 minutes. Let's go to the Indicators tab and select the CCI and the Accelerator Oscillator. Let's configure the CCI first. Set period to 10. Go to Style and make the background gray. Set the -100 line to green, width is 2. Move the opacity to the right. Let's set the 100 line to red, width 2. Let's move the opacity to the right. And set the main line to white, width is 2, and save. Let's configure the Accelerator Oscillator. Let's set the long period to 10 and save. So the indicators are ready to go, and if you are trading on your phone, set it up the same way. First situation, the expiration time is 3 minutes and I'm opening a short trade for $1,900. Now I'll explain in detail how to work with this strategy and what to look for when entering. So, we get the first signal from the CCI indicator. The white line crossed the red line from top to bottom. This is a clear sign that buyers have weakened and a downward movement is forming in the market. Such a moment often marks the beginning of a new trend and indicates a shift in the balance of power. And the second confirmation comes from the Accelerator Oscillator indicator. It clearly shows how the columns have changed direction to downward. This reinforces the first signal and indicates that sellers are beginning to dominate and the downward movement is receiving additional support. And the day starts off strong. I'm recording a profit of $1,748. The balance is moving in the right direction. Are you looking for a community of traders where you can get daily analytics and useful ideas? Then my free Telegram channel was created for just that. Here we discuss strategies, share experiences, and grow together. And if anything in this video is unclear, you can always write to me and I will explain. The link to the channel is in the description, so please come and join us. And in this channel you will find practical advice and proven approaches for confident trading. The next opportunity appears soon. The expiration time is 3 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $1,300. The chart is holding steady at the support level and the attempt at a downward momentum has failed. Sellers were unable to develop a downward movement. At this point, the market is gradually turning around and the price is beginning to form a confident upward movement. The candles look harmonious and consistent and the chart structure is becoming upward. The indicators synchronously confirm this scenario, indicating the formation of a stable upward structure. And all this suggests that buyers have taken the initiative and the trend is likely to continue upward. We'll see. And the result is encouraging. There's another $1,196 in profit. The balance is gradually increasing and trading is proceeding steadily. A new scenario is forming on the chart. With an expiration of 3 minutes, I'm opening a short trade for $1,800. After a recent sharp rise, the market is beginning to lose momentum and gradually slow down. The upward movement, which previously looked energetic and rapid, is now becoming increasingly sluggish. Candles are shrinking in size, losing momentum, and no longer have the same dynamics, which is the first clear sign of weakening buyers. The chart shows that the initiative is gradually shifting away from the bulls. Each new link in the movement confirms a decline in interest and growth, and this increasingly points to an impending reversal. At such moments, the market seems to take on a new structure, changing its direction. Smooth transition to a downtrend seems logical after such a sharp rise. Buyers have exhausted their energy and sellers are beginning to increase pressure. All this creates a solid foundation for further decline and forms a sustained bearish momentum that is likely to continue. Let's see. And the result is positive. There's $1,656 gain to the balance. The session is developing calmly and predictably. The final opportunity of the day. The timer is set for 3 minutes and I'm opening a long trade for $900. Look, after a sharp drop, the market is finally showing signs of recovery. The indicators are synchronously pointing to a change in direction and the formation of an upward movement. This means that the downward energy has completely dried up. Sellers have lost their strength, and now buyers are confidently taking the initiative. The candlesticks are beginning to form a clear and smooth growth structure, and the movement looks stable and predictable. All this confirms the beginning of a new upward trend, which is highly likely to continue. And I'm locking in another $828 in profit. My balance has reached $13,524. So, let's sum up the results. The balance increased from $8,096 to $13,524. An excellent session. Friends, if you have any questions about the methodology itself or would like to learn more, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I'll be happy to help you. Well, thank you very much for watching, liking and subscribing to the channel. See you soon and happy trading!